In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Paint.net to open and work with your images. Let's dive right in and explore everything you need to know to get started. First, you'll need to open your Paint.net application. If you don't have Paint.net already installed, you can easily find it online and download it. Make sure to go to the official website to ensure you get the correct and safest version. If you already have it installed, locate the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to open it. Once the program is running, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which might look a bit daunting at first glance, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Next, it's time to download the necessary components if you haven't done so already. Head over to the Paint.net site and look for the Download Now button. It's typically found on the main page and is pretty hard to miss. Click on it, follow the instructions, and let it finish installing any required updates or components. Once Paint.net is fully up to date, you'll be ready to start uploading your images. Now that your Paint.net is ready, let's move to the exciting part, which is opening your image. Click on the File option located at the top left corner of the screen. This dropdown will present you with several choices, but for now, we'll focus on opening an image file. Click on Open, which allows you to browse through your computer files. Navigate to the location where your image is stored, and once you've found the image you want to edit or work on, double-click it. You'll see it pop up in the main workspace of Paint.net, ready for you to start your project. And just like that, you're done with the initial setup. With your image open in Paint.net, you can now utilize the robust set of tools and features this versatile program offers. Feel free to explore the many tools along the left-hand side, such as paintbrushes, shapes, and text options, or adjust image settings like brightness, contrast, and many others from the toolbar at the top. While this guide focused on getting your image into Paint.net, remember there's a wealth of tutorials and resources online for expanding your skills with image editing. Practice makes perfect, so spend some time playing around with the different features to see what you can create. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to kickstart your journey with Paint.net. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and feel free to leave a comment or question below if you need any further assistance. Have a great day editing, and see you in the next video.